hanging out inside, enjoying this terrible day. Figured I'd throw some clips together from the past few days so you guys have something to watch. So, enjoy. Alright, Corey just got the flip cam. Now we're looking for pants or shorts because he needs them, so we'll be right back. Here we go.
Ultra HD slip.
Just had the one up, man, didn't you?
Yeah. You know, I told you I was gonna buy a Ultra HD one. Yes.
Smells like money.
Like $109 down the drain. Just got paid. The ants can have it.
Okay, so it's like 100 degrees and this person has an umbrella. They don't get that.
Chinese lady, that's why.
They don't get that. I mean, is it like...
You ever go to China? Duh.
Oh, my bad, Corey.
God, you're so stupid.
Well-traveled individual.
You're so stupid. Perfect.
So good.
Laser.
Custom design
What?
burger.
What, Cosmo? What do you want?
Hash browns.
Hungry.
You want this?
Do them like
That's what you want?
time. I can brown them up better.
I don't think so, man.
Stay together like.
Okay, guys. I want you to fight to the death so I can get some views on my video. Okay? Cosmo! Uh-oh. Here we go. Oh, Cosmo, you lose? You lose? It's okay, buddy. You get him next time. What do you have to say about your win? It was good. It was a good fight, Rock. I like your haircut, by the way, buddy. Hey! You challenging him? What are you barking at?